Welcome to Boschendal. Boschendal Wine Farm is a picturesque estate situated in the heart of the Western Cape's winelands, just outside the town of Franschhoek. Boschendal Wine Farm offers visitors a range of experiences, including restaurants, a farm shop, gardens, and a picnic spot. It is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of the Western Cape's winelands. The formal gardens surrounding the Manor House feature immaculately manicured lawns, colourful flower beds, and stunning water features. Boschendal is an authentic working farm and is committed to biodiversity-friendly, regenerative farming practices, conserving the unique natural areas, improving soil health, and producing quality products. Their mission is to create a wow factor guest experience, enabling more connected ways of living that celebrate life and support the well-being of each other and the planet. Their vision is to be a pioneering and ethical village, setting a global benchmark through inspiring ways of living that regenerate nature and actively support our communities to thrive. Boschendal also has a variety of events happening throughout the year, ranging from special events like a Mother's Day celebration with a Soil to Fork Mother's Day experience, to Saturday morning markets, and even night markets. You know I can't resist a night market. Check their website for the latest events and book early to avoid disappointment. Boschendal's gardens are a highlight of the estate, with a range of beautiful spaces to explore. The vegetable garden is a must-see for foodies, showcasing the farm's commitment to sustainable farming practices and providing fresh produce for the restaurant, which offers exceptional soil to fork dining. Today, Boschendal is renowned for producing some of the region's finest wines. There are many wine tasting options available. For an outdoor tasting beneath the iconic giant oak tree, enjoy an outstanding selection of Boschendal's finest award-winning wines. For those looking to enjoy the beautiful surroundings in a more relaxed manner, Boschendal's picnic spot is the perfect option. Visitors can choose from a range of gourmet picnic baskets filled with the local delicacies and enjoy them in one of the estate's beautiful picnic spots. They have delicious platters on offer, featuring the best of the farm produce to enjoy alongside your tasting. The farm shop at Boschendal is housed in a beautiful Cape Dutch building and offers visitors the opportunity to purchase a range of locally produced goods, including fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and handcrafted gifts. This is a great place to pick up some souvenirs or gifts to take home. Whether you're interested in fine dining, local produce, beautiful gardens, or a relaxing picnic in stunning surroundings, Boschendal has something to offer everyone. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to be sure to catch more of my upcoming videos relating to Cape Town. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!